Hello everyone. So today I wanted to show you this cute little travel palette that I purchased off of Amazon recently. It is a Bowerbird travel ceramic palette box. Portable, very portable. So it's made for watercolor, but you probably could put acrylic in it. So it's got this neat little color tray in the front that you could put like the color swatches on. If you change out your palette a lot, you probably don't want to fill that in, but if you use a pretty set palette, you can do that. Pluses, it's got this nice little tray here for mixing paint. I like this tray. It is metal, so it's very sturdy. This is ceramic, so it is very easy to clean. Drawbacks, this does not come out, so I would not recommend putting this under a running faucet to rinse out. I would take like paper towel or maybe use some baby wipes to wipe out your paints once you're done if you don't want to leave those in there. One other drawback I have that's not huge, because this is a travel palette. It is made to be tiny, but these little holes, as you can see, are very tiny. So they don't hold a large amount of paint. But if you are using it for watercolor, you really don't need a large amount of paint because it will really go far. So overall, I think it is a pretty nice kit. Big selling point for me was it's got cheetahs on the front. How cute. And flowers, two things I love very, very much, cats and flowers. Yeah, if it had some birds on here, that would have been awesome. So anyway, this is a nice little travel palette. If you are looking for something to take with you, maybe on a vacation, or maybe you just want to be able to go out in a nice pretty setting and be able to do some painting, but you don't want to take like a large amount of stuff, this is a very good alternative. So I'd highly recommend this. Again, I found this on Amazon, but if you search the Bowerbird Travel Ceramic Palette Box, you could probably find it other places as well, I would imagine. But it's about $20, so not too bad for the quality that it is. So if you are looking for something that you can use on the go, I highly recommend this one. See you guys later. Also, if you like this video, hit that like button. And if you want to see more of these, then please hit the subscribe button and the bell so that you'll be notified when the next video posts. I'll see you guys again soon. Bye.